So in today's video, I'll be unboxing, setting up and pairing the Soundcore V20i open ear headphones. And if you're looking to buy one of these, I'll leave a link right below the video, so feel free to check that out. So I've opened the box up. Let's see what's inside. And the first thing that comes out is the box with the headphones themselves. And next you have the USB-C charging cable. And last but not least, some documentation. So here's the box that contains the headphones themselves. I've taken it out of its plastic packaging, and let's open it up and see what's inside. And one of the things that we have to do to start setting this up is to pull each headphone out of the case and then remove these isolation stickers. I'm going to put each headphone back in the case as I do this. Let's remove the second isolation sticker and then put the headphones back in the case. Now on first glance, the case seems really nicely built and has its USB-C charging port on the back. For the next setup step, we're going to go ahead and download and install the Soundcore app. And this can be done by either going into your app store if you have an iPhone, or in the Play Store if you have an Android device. So I'm going to go in and search for Soundcore, and I'm going to tap Get and then wait for it to install. And once it's finished installing, tap Open, and then it asks you to agree to their terms and conditions. I'm going to agree, and then it asks you whether you'd like to set up a Soundcore account or log into one. In my case, I'm going to skip this. Just tap Skip, and then it wants to know if you'd like to allow Soundcore to find Bluetooth devices. I'm going to tap Allow. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the headphones from the case and place them outside the case. And you'll notice that as soon as I do that, you'll see these LEDs on both the headphones starting to blink, and this puts them in the pairing mode. And with those blinking in the background, I'm going to go into my device's settings, and I'm going to look for the Bluetooth settings. Tap on that, make sure Bluetooth obviously is on, and you'll notice that one of the devices that's available to me is the Soundcore V20i, which is our device. I'm going to tap that, and it says that it is connected. And as soon as it connects, you'll notice that the LEDs turn off, and this tells us that it is successfully paired to this device. And now once I jump back into the Soundcore app, you should see this notification which says device found. I'm going to tap connect, and then it gives you a few instructions on how to wear it and how to adjust that loop. And then it gives you a few more instructions on the touch commands. I'm going to tap got it, and on this page it gives you your battery indicator for both headphones, which is really useful. And then it allows you to change a few settings. So for example, in the sound effects menu, you can go in and change kind of the audio settings of this device. And in the controls menu, you can actually customize how the touch responses work. And another cool feature that I like is something called dual connections, also commonly known as multi-point pairing. So if you tap dual connections, it allows you to connect to more than one device. You can actually add a second device. And in my personal experience, this is really useful when I'm using a phone and a laptop at the same time. I can actually pair it to both these devices. And if you'd like to see a specialized video on how to actually go about doing this, let me know in the comment section below. I can definitely do a video on how to go about setting those two devices up. And that, folks, is pretty much all the setup that you need to do to get your Anker Soundcore V20i up and running. And as I mentioned earlier in the video, if you're looking to buy one of these, I'll leave a link right below the video, so feel free to check that out. And if you found this useful, please give this video a big thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel to stay tuned for more reviews, unboxings, and how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.